up, guys? Welcome back to Soul Status for another video. Today we're going to be talking about the Nike SB Dunk Medium Curries. So make sure to like, subscribe, hit that notification bell, follow us on all social media to keep up with us here at the shop. Let's get right into the video. So Nike just confirmed the release date for these medium curries. What are your guys' thoughts?
A week ago, I was fidgeting if I was going to hit the button on GOAT to get them in Europe. You know, like, is this a good price? Is this what I want? Are they going to release in the US? They haven't announced anything. Should I wait? Should I wait? Should I wait? And then today broke. They are releasing them. So hopefully the price drops. I'm excited about it.
Will you hit the button early?
No, I thought about it. I'm just going to wait. I made my decision already.
I was going to say, like, instead of playing the sneakers lottery.
Yeah. I think by everybody gets their pairs in, there's more units out. Yeah. The market's going to be at its lowest.
Sure.
So I'm just going to wait for that point. I'm guessing the 250 range to 300.
Yeah, and these things retail at $110.
Yep.
They're going to be releasing March 29th on the Sneakers app. So I think, I don't know. Yeah, there's going to be a tough release. They might be cheaper before this restock because you'll have all these resellers that copped in Europe. Maybe like racing to the bottom, seeing if they can sell them before they drop because they have the same idea as you. But if they release, if it's a pretty limited release in the States, then it might actually be more expensive after release.
I'm willing to take that chance.
Okay.
That's always.
But I've seen it time and time again. That same thing he's talking about happened, and you're like, "Fuck! I should have bought it at us." You know, right before release date, like
Mochas,
the university ones.
Yeah,
they were going for like 350, 400. Now they're 550. Good luck even seeing them. And there's Mochas, great example. And it's a beautiful shoe. I could see Travis Scott wearing this, and it just.
Oh, absolutely.
It kind of reminds me of New Balances, kind of the colorway.
I wish I could get my hands on some New Balance.
The tonal tan. Yeah. We used to have actually that New Balance. I used to call it the Reese's Pieces or something.
But it was really cool.
The Reese's Cup. Like, yeah, there's a lot of different browns in there.
It's delightful.
Yeah. But just, the creams are in there. You got white, the brown on the outsole.
The brown outsoles.
Tan on the suede, on the top of the shoe, the cream swoosh. It's just a nice color blocking, a nice everyday shoe, and I could definitely see this being a great all around the year. Really, definitely spring, summer, fall shoe.
Nice soft
shoe. I'm more fall kind of guy, but yeah, August, September, towards the end.
I think it's a fire shoe. I don't know if I need another brown shoe, but like for someone who doesn't have any dunks in their rotation right now, that would kind of fit right with a lot of stuff that I have. So I really got big into the browns and tans and light pinks and whatever, all the stuff that would go with.
That jersey you're wearing right now,
it's
a fit.
Wish I had it.
Yeah,
you can get it.
I'd be wearing that shoe often, I'm pretty sure,
until you sold it.
Until I sell it, yes. I will sell everything.
What do you think that they're coming out with too many dunks?
At the moment, yeah, but you know what? Keep it coming because the market's good and I like the style. 90s is still in because it's going away really quick.
This isn't an SB, it's just a regular dunk,
just
right?
Just a regular dunk, no SB. That's the thing. The big reason why I like it. I'm not an SB guy.
You don't like the big tongue? I
can't do the tongue. It makes my foot bulky.
It has that SB feel, though, to it, other than the tongue. Like, it looks like it should have a fat tongue and be an SB.
Yeah.
Just especially the materials. It's probably close to some of the suede dunks that you have, like,
ceramics or
the Ninja Turtle looking ones.
Whatever that one is. I forget the
name. Put a picture right here.
I should know it. I can't think of it.
Yeah, that looks good. The materials look really good too. So
really nice. I'm just a fan of the brown bottoms more than anything.
Yeah, the brown sole's always good.
Yeah,
just a real soft, easy to wear shoe. I feel like good every day. Like I wouldn't say beater, but like good every day.
Oh, the chicks are gonna love that. Give me some base sizes, bro. Get the bot going.
The base size. If they drop on anywhere but sneakers, I think there's a chance. But sneakers,
that's one you haven't cracked. Yeah.
Yeah, sneakers is not my style.
Yeah, I mess with these heavy.
For sure.
Let us know what you guys think in the comments down below, and stay tuned for more videos like this. Like, share, subscribe, all that good stuff, and we'll see you guys in the next one.
Peace.